Okay, so today papa-install tayo sa Vespa Mall of Asia ng MDL. So for now, I think we're gonna be choosing yung Helix Supernova kasi ang gusto ko dito isa lang. Yung normal MDL kasi dalawa na nakakabit dito. I prefer isa lang. May fade. I prefer isa lang. Mas malakas siya ng konti pero malakas naman yung ilaw niya. So I hope pag nakita ko mas okay na siya by then. Okay, I'll be going there with my kid. Say hi, anak. Okay, see you in a bit. Kapakabit MDL. Sure. Okay, so we're now here in Vespa Mall of Asia para magpakabit ng MDL. And I mentioned to their manager, si Jorik, yung napakabit nga is yung Helix Supernova. Okay, so I hope it turns out well. I hope maliwanag talaga as what I'm expecting. So ito na yung unit natin. Pinasok nila kanina. Ang lamig dito, as in. Okay, so while we're waiting for our turn, meron sila dito GT S300. They have a Primavera. Is this a Sprint? Yeah, tama. This is a Sprint 150. A GT 300 also. Primavera S 150, Primavera S again. Oh, our unit. Ito yung isa sa mga pinakagusto ko talaga. This one, this is a GTV 300. Ganda. For some reason, iba yung appeal sa akin ng nandito yung headlight. So sana in the future makaipon. We have an S125 Sprint S150 there. I don't know kung sa customer to, pero yeah, it's a S125 also. And there, another S125. From Vespa Club for right now. Ito yung Supernova.
Yung Supernova siya. Ayan siya.
Basta yung cover ng Vespa. So ito yung itsura niya sa loob. Diyan nakakonekta yung wire para malabas dito. And ito siya. So malinis tignan.
Siya. Dilaw, puti lang yan sa mo. Pero pag binuksan mo, yung parang yung level nung dilaw, dadagdag lang yung puti sa baba.
Okay. Pero yung kapag, kumbaga, ang expectation ko sa iba kapag nag-high, mataas talaga.
Ay, hindi siya. Kung gusto mo, pwede itaas.
Hindi.
Itataas lang natin doon. Pero ang purpose kasi nung high, usually, pag sa MDA, sa baba.
Okay.
Unless babalik na rin natin to, pataas yung high mo. Ang mangyari nga lang, nasa ilalim yung ilaw mo.
Okay.
Kasi ito talaga yung pwesto niya eh.
Sir, might have to go.
Alright.
Pwede doon nandun sa Antipolo pa.
Okay. Thank you. Sir Jorik.
Cheers.
Ang pinili natin, Supernova. And ganito siya kalaki. here. Compared dun sa Mini, is like this. Mini Duo. Ayan siya. Yung difference nila. Okay, this one is 20 watts each bulb. Ito is 50. So, sufficient na. Isang piraso. Ito, dalawa kailangan.
Malayo. Mas malayo ba talaga?
Tapos kung i-adjust siya, dyan na lang.
Bilis lang tayo kabit yan.
Mabilis lang din siya.
Okay, daya na.
Ako!
Yan, gastos. 2,000 sa MDL. Tapos, labor. Naka-discount tayo. Opo, para mas mas maliwanag. Tsaka preparation din para sa sa Vespa Rally. Yan. We're gonna go now. Daya na yung motor. So, there it is. We're done. Pagpa-install na ng MDL. So, that's it. There you go. Kaya na siya. Isa lang para minimalist datingan. Okay, so later tonight we're gonna check it at night time. Natin kung ganong kalakas yung buga. There. See you in a bit. Okay, so gabi na po and we're gonna be trying out yung pina-install natin kanina na Helix Supernova. So this is it. Ito yung Helix Supernova. It's a lot bigger, not a lot bigger, but it's bigger than the normal MDLs, like yung sa Mini MDL ng Mini Duo ng Helix. Earlier we showed you kung ano yung size difference nila. Okay. So again, this is the Helix Supernova. Paisa-isa lang ang benta nila dito. So earlier, the normal SRP for this one is 2,000 plus the labor. Sa labor, yung miscellaneous naman nila kasama na yung bracket. Yung bracket nila, sabi nung technician or mechanic sa Vespa MOA, ang ginagamit nila is yung bracket ng stock horn. Kasi it's very sturdy. Tibay talaga niyan. Here, ito yung bracket ng stock horn. Binibend na lang nila, and then that's what they use. Kasi ang kasama lang talaga nito ng package ito is ito, yung maliit na bracket, this one, yung pa letter U. Pero yung pinagkakabitan niya dito sa part ng Vespa natin is wala siyang kasama. So they give this. Okay, so we're gonna be trying it out. Okay, so as you can see, ito yung stock. Yan. Yan. So yan yung stock. You can see naman kung saan siya nagbe-brake, kung saan yung nagbe-brake yung ilaw. So this one is yung low. And this one is yung high. Okay? Or rather, it's not really a high, pero dalawa ang gumagana. So it's a combination of white and yung yellow. Ito yung yellow lang. Ito wala. Tingnan natin at an angle kung saan siya nagbe-brake. Here, para gusto ko syempre almost the same lang para hindi naman makasilaw sa mga makakasalubong. Yan. So makita nyo again dito sa part na to, yan, dyan yung nagbe-brake yung normal, yung stock headlight natin. And if we're gonna be using this, Diyan. Andun pa rin. So, andyan pa rin sa part na to. Yung pinaka-tip, yan yung taas, yung stock headlight natin. And sa baba, this area there is yung sa MDL. So, obviously, hindi siya dapat makasilaw sa incoming traffic. Okay? And ito yung dalawa. Alright. So, there you go. It's wide, maliwanag siya. So most likely, ang gagamitin ko dito talaga is this one, yung yellow. Alright, okay. So, malaking bagay yan. Ito yung wala. Again, ito yung stock headlight. And ito yung may with MDL. So, ang laking bagay nito, especially sa times na maulan and lalo pag dumadaan sa asfalto, kasi kung white lang yung like this one, pag LED halos wala tayong makikita sa kalsada. Pero if you have this, yung yellow, where is it? Okay, there. Then visible na talaga kahit umuulan pa yan. Okay, and we won't be violating any rules sa LTO or even sa HPG, mga nanguhuli, kasi yung lugar na pinaglagay nito is non-movable. So it's here sa part na to. Ang bawal kasi ilagay sa moving parts, which is sa shocks. Hindi naman dyan nakakabit. Okay? So here, it's from this, dito siya nakakabit sa place na to. Sorry, I don't know anong tawag sa part na to ng Vespa, na suspension. Okay, so there it is. The installation of MDL for our Vespa Sprint S150. And what we use is a Helix Supernova. Helix is a brand from, if I'm not mistaken, is from Hella. That's a well-known brand na gumagawa ng mga horns and lights. Okay, so overall, very much satisfied. There, liwanag. Oh my God. And nakagitna pa rin siya. And yeah, there it is. Overall, very much satisfied. So thank you very much to Sir Jeric, yung manager nila, for accommodating, and maganda talaga yung service nila doon. Well, actually, I haven't been to a Vespa dealership or service area na hindi maganda yung service. Everyone is very accommodating. There you go. So one last time, here, single, low, yellow, dual, that's yellow and white. Okay, thanks everyone.